On Wednesday, the US, UK and Albania and Malta walked out on Russia's envoy for children's rights as she spoke via video to the UN Security Council. Now, the International Criminal Court wants to arrest Russian official Maria Lvova-belova on war crime charges. UK and the United States blocked the informal meeting on Ukraine convened by Russia from being webcast by the United Nations. The diplomats left the UN conference room where the discussion was being held as Russian Commissioner Maria Lvova-belova spoke. Ukraine accuses Russia of having abducted and forcibly deported children since it began its invasion more than a year ago. Russia, however, denies allegations of war crimes by its troops. Just last month, the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant for the Russian President Vladimir Putin as well as his Commissioner for Children's Rights, Maria Lvova-belova. Here's what the United States Ambassador to the UN, Linda Thompson-Greenfield, said.
A woman who has been charged with war crimes, who has been involved in deporting and removal of children from their homes to Russia. And we strongly are opposed to that, and that's why we've joined the UK in blocking UN Web from being used to allow her to have an international podium to spread disinformation and to try to defend her horrible actions that are taking place in Ukraine.
Meanwhile, Moscow has not concealed the program under which it has brought thousands of Ukrainian children to Russia. Moscow presents the program as a humanitarian campaign to protect orphans and children abandoned in the war zone. Lvova-belova said that since February 2022, some 5 million Ukrainians, including 700,000 children, had traveled to Russia. During a statement, Belova showed video of Ukrainian children in Russia. Hitting out, she said that unlike the Ukrainian side, Russia does not use children for propaganda. The British diplomat returned to the room after Lvova-belova had spoken and accused Russia of seeking to erase Ukrainian identity. Meanwhile, Russia's UN ambassador slammed the West and cited the allies' indifference of the fate of children.
Это наглядная демонстрация своего безразличного отношения к судьбе детей Донбасса и украинских детей. Мы организовали нашу встречу для того, чтобы рассказать правду об этой ситуации из первых рук, от тех, кто этим непосредственно занимается. Именно для этого и проводится неформальное заседание Совета Безопасности по формуле Ария. Но вы не хотите этого слушать и слышать. Понятно, что вам это неприятно и компрометирует ваш нарратив.
Remember, the United States is not a member of the International Criminal Court. Russia is not a party to the International Criminal Court either, and it is unclear if or how Putin could ever end up in the dock. Diplomats have said it is rare for a UN webcast to be blocked. However, last month, China blocked the UN webcast of a US-convened informal Security Council meeting on human rights abuses in North Korea.